In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use FigJam for diagramming. Whether you're mapping a process, planning a project, or just organizing ideas, these simple moves will help you get a clean, shareable diagram fast. Start by opening your FigJam board. You can create a new one or use an existing file if you've already started. Give the board a clear name so teammates know what they're looking at, and set your zoom to a comfortable level so you can see the whole area you'll be working in. It helps to establish a simple working zone. Leave a bit of space around the edges so your diagram has room to grow as you add ideas. Next, click the highlight tool to guide attention on the canvas. The highlighter is perfect for calling out a section you're discussing live or for emphasizing a key step in your diagram. Use it sparingly so it retains its meaning. Think of it like a spotlight during a presentation. If you highlight a region you want people to focus on, pause for a moment to let everyone follow along, then clear or move on to the next area. This small practice keeps collaboration smooth and reduces confusion in group sessions. Now, add text. Select the text tool and type labels for each part of your diagram. Keep titles short and descriptive like intake, review, or approve, and use a consistent style for your headings versus body text. Clear labels are the backbone of a readable diagram, so align your text carefully and leave enough spacing between items to avoid visual clutter. If you need to distinguish sections, consider using slightly larger type for headers and regular type for details, staying consistent across the board. Finally, select sticky notes or any other elements you prefer to build out the structure. Sticky notes are excellent for steps, ideas, and assignments. Drag them onto the canvas, pick colors to categorize themes or owners, and resize them so important items stand out. Arrange them left to right or top to bottom to show flow, and keep spacing even so the path is easy to follow. If you're ever exploring alternatives, you can mix in shapes or frames to separate phases, but keep your palette and sizes consistent to maintain clarity. Duplicate notes for repeated patterns, and group related items to move sections around without breaking alignment. To recap, open your FigJam board, use the highlight tool to direct focus, add clear text labels, and build your diagram with sticky notes or the elements that fit your style. With these fundamentals, you'll have a tidy, collaborative diagram that's easy to understand and simple to iterate on.